Did you know bleeding gums might be connected to heart disease, diabetes, and even Alzheimer's disease? Hi, I'm Dr. Michelle Jorgensen, and here at Living Well with Dr. Michelle, we talk about the connection between your mouth and the rest of your body because oral health is whole body health. And today we're talking about periodontics. Gum health is about a lot more than just your gums. Periodontics is the area of dentistry that focuses on the health of the gums and the supporting structures that hold your teeth in place. When your gums are healthy, they create a strong seal around your teeth that protects the bone and keeps harmful bacteria out of the bloodstream. But when gum disease begins, that protective barrier starts to break down. The earliest stage is called gingivitis. Your gums may look red, maybe a little swollen, or maybe bleed a bit when you brush or floss. Many people ignore this stage because it doesn't usually hurt, but it is a warning sign that inflammation is starting to take hold. And if that inflammation continues, gingivitis can progress to periodontitis. At this stage, the infection can destroy the bone and ligaments that support your teeth. Teeth can get loose, gums can recede, and in severe cases, you can actually lose teeth. But what's really important to understand is that gum disease isn't just a mouth problem. The inflammation and bacteria involved in periodontal disease have been linked to heart disease, diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, and many other overall body conditions. Your mouth is not separate from the rest of your body. It is one of the main gateways into your bloodstream. In biologic dentistry, we focus on identifying the root causes of gum disease, reducing inflammation, and supporting the body's ability to heal. This includes proper oral hygiene, nutrition that supports the immune system, reducing bacteria in the mouth, and using therapies that promote tissue regeneration. Healthy gums support healthy teeth, but they also support a healthy body. When we care for the tissues around the teeth, we help protect the entire system. Thanks for watching Living Well with Dr. Michelle. If you want to learn more about how your oral health affects your whole body, be sure to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel where we dive deeper into the science of living well.